Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a threaded rod cutter. But before we do that, check out all these tools behind me. We're doing a ton of reviews right now, so make sure you subscribe because there's a lot of new videos coming up this month and next month. There's so many here, I just went a little crazy, so we got a lot of stuff to do. So check us out. This is a cool tool. If you are in commercial, I would say you probably need one of these. If you're like an electrician or if you're an HVAC guy, plumber, this is such a great tool to have because you're constantly hanging stuff from, from ceilings and things like that with threaded rod. It's very, very simple. It just chops your rod, but the thing I love about it is it does it so well that you can just screw a nut right onto it. And I'm going to demonstrate that. But first, let's take a look at the tool. You can cut 3 different sizes of rod on here. You can cut 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. And that is all done by this cutter right here. Okay, so we're set on, we're set on 3/8 right now. That's your 1/2 inch, and up here is your 1/4 inch. This is held on with a Allen screw right here. So you just undo that, then you can flip it around to the size that you need. They keep an Allen key on board just back here on the handle, so very, very easy to access. This is all a really nice rubber overmold, very, very comfortable with the hand. It's quite heavy on the front, very light on the bottom and the back, so it's a little bit off balance. If we put a battery on it, this is a 5 amp hour. It does help balance it out a little bit. But this feels a lot easier to hold when it's vertical, okay? Or you don't even need to hold it and you can just keep it on a table like this and you can do your cutting. It has a belt loop attachment here. You know, this would probably weigh my pants down quite a bit, but you could hook it on to, you know, your ladder or your tool belt, something like that. I think it's such a great tool to have. So let's cut some rod, guys. It's a very simple review. There's not a lot to this, right? It just cuts rod. So let's do it. And it cuts it fast. Before I cut this, let's just watch how quickly this goes in the cutting position. As you can see, it's very fast. All right. So you just lay your rod in here and you just cut. That's it. See how easy that was? Let's just do a couple more. All right, and to prove to you, I've got a bolt here, 3/8. We're going to cut it. So I just took the nut off. So I'm just going to put it in here. We're going to cut it. Screw it right back on. No problem. No filing, nothing. I love it. How many times have you cut one of these with like a hacksaw and, you know, you've cut across the thread or something and it just doesn't work. You end up cross threading. It's no good at all. But this, it just fits right in. It knows what to do. And that's it. Boom. Just like that. I love it. Such a cool tool. You can't go wrong. So if you're a plumber, electrician, I don't know, one of those guys that cuts a lot of rod, you need this. It's pretty awesome. I'll leave a link down below for Amazon and all that stuff. Check it out. But yeah, such a cool tool to have. Make sure you leave some comments down below if you've used it and if you've had any problems with it or anything like that. I'd love to hear from you. Or if there's other tools out there that are similar, maybe they're better, maybe they're worse. I don't know. I just like connecting with you guys. So leave some comments down below. It'd be great. Subscribe, hit that notify bell, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.